Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use live translation on iOS 26. Let's jump right in. First, open your iPhone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, look for Live Captions and tap on it. Here's where you enable real-time transcription and translation. Toggle on Live Captions to see captions while using apps, watching videos, or during conversations. Below that, you'll find Save Calls Captions. This feature transcribes your phone calls in real time. Just toggle it on, and iOS will display live text of what's being said during calls. To change the language, tap the current language setting. Select your preferred language, and iOS will automatically translate other spoken languages into your chosen one. And that's it. Your iPhone will now provide live captions and call transcription for seamless communication. If this helped, like and subscribe for more iOS 26 tutorials.